minutes or more. Okay, just I told you about the statement of principle of virtual work. Virtual work done by an applied force acting on system in equilibrium is zero. Mean you get a virtual work done equal to zero when the system is in equilibrium. If the frictional forces are absent. If the forces of friction are present, then you cannot take a system to be in equilibrium. There will be a resultant force because in equilibrium state that the net force is acting on the body is zero. A body is in equilibrium if it is static equilibrium, if it is moving with uniform velocity, dynamic equilibrium. Or in simply you say that if all the forces acting on the system or on the body is zero, then we call that body is in equilibrium. If we take the frictional forces or if the frictional forces are included, then that will give you F applied forces or total forces minus force of friction. That will give a resultant force and the body will not be in equilibrium. So that is why the condition on the virtual work done is virtual work done by applied force acting on the system is in equilibrium is zero provided no frictional forces are present. This is the condition. Secondly, suppose the system is in equilibrium. If the system is in equilibrium, then automatically you see that Fi will be zero. Fi is nothing, but it is the applied force as well as force of constraint. This means that clearly Fi dot delta Ri is equal to zero. Some or all particles must be zero. अगर पूरा वो ले लें particle पे तो sigma Fi dot delta Ri is equal to zero है. If the force of constraint are present, तो आपके पास Fi force जो है ये applied force और साथ ही साथ force of constraint इन दोनों के सम से आएगा. यानी जिस तरह लिखा है कि Fi A is equal to applied force, Fi is equal to force of constraint. So this equation becomes ये वैल्यू जो है आप इसमें डालें तो आपके पास आ जाएगा सिग्मा आई एफ आई ए प्लस एफ आई ई डॉट डेल्टा आर आई इज इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. एफ आई आपके पास अप्लाइड फोर्स है और एफ आई ई जो है आपके पास फोर्स ऑफ कंस्टेंट है. और इसको वो करें एक्सपेंड करें तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा सिग्मा जो आप देख रहे हैं. अब इसमें many of the constant forces that commonly occurs many of the constraint forces occur such as sliding motion on a frictionless surface, such as sliding motion on frictionless surface do no work on virtual displacement. इसकी मैं वजह बताता हूँ. Displacement that is Fie dot delta Ri, this is equal to 0. This is possible only when forces of constraint are perpendicular to virtual displacement. If we exclude frictional forces from consideration, and restrict ourselves to a system for which virtual work done the virtual force of constraint vanishes. Then if I E dot delta Ri, this is equal to 0, or the equation 3 become sigma I F I A dot del Ri is equal to 0. This is nothing but this is the mathematical form of principle of virtual work. So here you see that many of the constraint forces that commonly occurs, such as sliding motion on frictional surface, do no work on virtual displacement because frictional forces are excluded, are not present. That is if I dot del Ri is equal to 0, ये 0 के बराबर क्यों है? इसलिए कि ये फ्रिक्शनल फोर्सेज जो हैं, ये कंस्ट्रेंट फोर्सेज जो है, दे ऑलवेज लाइज perpendicular to the virtual displacement. Perpendicular to the virtual displacement. For example, in case of simple pendulum, you see the tension and the normal force. These are the constraint forces. Here you see it lies normal to the virtual displacement. That is why if you take a phi dot del Ri, phi del Ri cos theta, cos 90 is equal to 0, then it is equal to 0. So it means that if we exclude frictional forces, then that term becomes 0, and we get finally sigma I Fi A dot del Ri is equal to 0, which is the statement of principle of virtual work. Thanks.